fescues are interesting because they tend to be the lowest input of the fine fescues, but they are also the slowest to establish. So sometimes you'll find in some trials that they will not look as good because they took a long time to develop and to establish. This one right here is a new one. This is SR 3175, and this is Leonidas. So these are two of our newest hard fescues that we have just recently brought to the market. And when I was here for their field day, I had people ask if they could buy the Leonidas because they like the performance of it. And it works very well both for home lawns and for golf courses. You can even utilize these species for fairway usage. For Leonidas and for actually the 3175, what caught the attention of most people was A, the color is very good. It's very uniform. It tended to have less problems. If you can see on some of them, there's a little bit of a problem with mowing quality. They're at this time of year, they're not looking quite as good. Perhaps it's a little more thatchy. This one, if you actually look on it and stand on it, compared to some of the others, it's not quite as thatch development, and that actually says perhaps it may do better for long-term seed head production in a no-mow situation. This is Leonidas, which is one of our newest hard fescues. It has done an excellent job, was in the last NTEP and is currently on the A list. It really is a strong performer under reduced inputs, and you can use it for low maintenance and high maintenance performance where you want to utilize hard fescues from a non-mown situation to a fairway situation. This is DLF PS FL 3104, which has just been named SR 3175. This is actually qualified and is on the A list. We are just bringing it into production. This is the next succession in the SR series of hard fescues for high and low performance from no-mow situations to fairway usage, sun and shade. This has done an excellent job.